Senate netilil tetutik chebo tililindo en emoni korutechin counties cheterter asikobit kochigil akobo itondo notok nebo tililindo en counties. Akot konoton kokoimuch committee notok nebo tililindo kondochin senator nebo county nebo Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago korutechi county nebo Baringo ole koimuch konyor yaut anan ng'oyondit notok ne akot missing nebo ketesosiek chotok chebo tililindo komiten en itondo nemakararan. Akot konoton kokokimuch kenyor alak en sipitalisiek cheboto noton nebo Kimalel koboto sipitali noton nebo Baringo Referral Hospital komiten en itondo notok neya missing en mwa kole koketestai keng'em tetutik chebo anan mashinisiek chotok chekiboisien en tetutik chebo konyoiset missing ko en sipitalisiek chotok chetiengei biikab emet en komosatan nebo anan en komosatan nebo Baringo. Akot konoton kakomuch Jackson Mandago konereki kot missing akobo katelelchinet notok nebo serikalitab county nebo Baringo kondochin Governor Benjamin Chiboye en mwa kole tomo koib kwakwautiek alak tugul chebo keker kele kakimuch kekanapta ketesosiekab tililindo chotok cheboisien biikab emet. Akot konoton komwoe Mandago kole nyolu en county assembly nebo Baringo koib kwakwautiek chebo chokyinet chebo koker kole kakimuch kekanapta sipitali noton nebo Kimalel ak nebo Referral asikobit konyorunen kelchin biikab boror.
So you can imagine how I was maximally embarrassed that we can have such a facility left there rotting. But of great concern is how the county government themselves vandalized the equipment that were in those facilities. The theater, the machines that were there. You know, we are even told that there was a vehicle that was supposed to be in that facility disappeared. I've just called the CEO of Kemri and I've told him to find out where the vehicle is because it must be returned to the owners. I mean, it is completely embarrassing that we can have such a facility. The community around there are crying that was the facility that was having a huge population. In fact, one of the committee members says there are more than 10 primary schools that utilize that facility for their health services. I would want to urge the County Assembly Committee of Baringo to move with speed and urgency and ensure that that hospital is refurbished and reinstated to its old glory or make it better.
Agote noton karaka komuch komonge senator nebo county noton nebo Baringo noton ko Kebron Chemetei awirindai ako bor kaimetab kei nemwa kole tesetai county nebo Baringo kobune koimutik chemiten paragot missing ko en sekta noton nebo tililindo ak konyoiset. Kamwa kole en nguni konyolu kisirto kokwautik chekimen chebo keker kele kakimuch kenapta sipitalisiek cheterter en county noton nebo Baringo.
Baringo, we have a lot of challenges. We are doing badly in terms of health sector, especially the Maravin, and also we pass through Kimalil. That facility was installed a long time ago by President Moi. When I was a young boy, I was in class 4. I was brought to Kimalil boarding. That is actually the first hospital I was injected. And the status of that hospital now is very, very bad. In fact, we are ashamed as a county, as leaders. We need to do something about that. Last but not least, Elda Maravin is among the biggest hospital facility. It's among the facilities that receives a lot of patients. And surprisingly, even these honorable senators, they were asking me why we don't have a CT scan and dialysis machine in Elda Maravin. So I'm wondering when our budget chairman tell us you spend about 3 billion on health sector, and yet we don't have a machine that costs 50.